Hey, everybody. I hope every one of you has a great year in 2024. The beginning of the year or the end of the previous year usually is a time for planning, or maybe that's just me. Either way, I will be planning some new videos and I want your feedback. Basically, I want to know what types of videos do you want to see me make? Which types of videos do you find value in? Are there any videos that you have no interest in? Most of my videos tend to fall into the following categories. We have software plugin reviews and demos, equipment demos and reviews, editing tips and tricks, business tips and advice for podcast editors, podcast audio basics, tips and advice. Is there anything else you would like to see me add? It would also help me if you could let me know what brought you to my channel and what do you do in the audio world. Are you a podcaster, a podcast editor, or do you do something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in 2024. See you next time.